Unlock breathtakingly sharp portraits and videos with your Nikon Z8's incredible eye-tracking autofocus. First, let's dive into activating this powerful feature. Navigate to the I button, which brings up your quick menu. From there, select AF mode and choose either subject detection on for AFC or AFS, or animal detection on if you're shooting wildlife for portraits. Ensuring people is selected under subject detection options is key. And importantly, make sure eye detection is toggled to on. Now, onto effective usage. Once enabled, when you have pressed the shutter button, your Z8 will automatically search for and lock onto your subject's eye. You'll see a distinct eye detection frame appear on the LCD if your subject moves or the lighting changes. The camera intelligently reacquires focus on their eyes. For optimal results, especially in video, consider using AFC for continuous autofocus. This ensures the focus stays fluidly on the eyes even as your subject moves or blinks. You can even customize which button initiates eye tracking on your camera for even faster access. I personally prefer assigning it to the AFON button. Experiment with different shooting scenarios and subject distances to see how responsive the eye tracking is. The Nikon Z8's advanced technology makes capturing perfectly focused eyes easier than ever, adding that professional, engaging quality to every shot.